Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening Capcut and creating a new project. Import the clip or raw voice you'll alter. Once done, select the audio track and choose text-to-speech or record to get a clean source. This matters because a clean input yields a clearer robotic timbre. Make sure to enable the voice track, and if present, set the sample rate to 44/100 Hz for consistent quality. Next, prepare to apply layered effects. Don't skip normalizing the level first. Now you'll craft the robotic tone. Apply Capcut's voice effects and select a robot or vocoder preset. You're shaping timbre fast. Once applied, add an EQ. Cut the low end under 120 Hz to remove muddiness and slightly boost 24K Hz to emphasize metallic presence. Then apply pitch shift or formant adjustment. Raising pitch a few semitones tightens the artificial quality. Also layer a subtle chorus or flange at low depth to simulate modulation. Make incremental changes and preview continuously. Finish by balancing the wet/dry mix so the robotic effect feels intentional rather than overpowering. You want clarity and intelligibility. Once levels are set, add a short, bright reverb or slap delay for synthetic space. Keep decay short so words stay crisp. Export at 44/100 Hz and test on headphones and a phone to confirm the effect translates. If the voice sounds hollow or distorted, reduce effect depth, lower pitch shift, or normalize the input. That troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.